Listen up here, because I'm about to tell you something that could change your financial future. I know you would say, oh, I'm always saying that, but if I don't do it, who will? Now imagine earning $1,200 monthly. That is over 1.8 million naira, going by today's exchange rate. And now you are going to be working for less than an hour a day from the comfort of your home. You don't need laptop, you don't need serious gadgets. Okay, I know this might sound crazy, but I'm going to introduce you to two people who actually did this. The first person is Idara. Right, so Idara, just like you, doubted that making money online is this easy. In fact, she's also a doubting Thomas, like many of you. She thought you had to be an expert writer or you have to have years of experience before you can start making money. She thought it was impossible for a Nigerian to impress an international business owner with simple rewritten content. But guess what? She was wrong. In just 6 days, Idara landed a high paying job, and now she earns about $930,000 every 14 days. No long applications, no stressful interviews, just one simple trick that made business owners beg her to work for them. And the best part, she's not writing from scratch. So how was she able to do it? She used ChatGPT the right way, not the robotic sounding nonsense. She made ChatGPT think like her and rewrite content that small business owners abroad could not resist. Emphasis on could not resist. And where did she find these jobs? Instagram. That is, in fact, amazing. There are thousands of dentists, coaches, and business owners that need great content, and they will pay handsomely for it. Now, this is not just story. Since February 15th, 21 people who learned the strategy have landed jobs. Some are making over 500,000 naira every 14 days, while others make more. And yes, you could be next, but that is only if you act fast. You think Idara's story is impressive? Wait till you hear about Ronke. Ronke received an offer of $22,000 in 12 months. And this is from a pharmaceutical company. That is over 34 million naira in a year. Let's say we now break it down. Her salary will be over 2.8 million per month. And you know that the exchange rate will continue to go higher. It's likely to go higher more than it would go lower, right? Now, so she'll be making nothing less than 2.8 million in a month, just working for a few hours a day. And guess what? Ronke rejected the offer. I'm sure you're like, what is wrong with this Ronke? What is she crazy? Like, what is she thinking? But here's the thing, Ronke knows her worth. Now she's negotiating for $26,000, which is around 40 million, instead of the $22,000. And if that company doesn't come back, she will most likely reach out and probably settle for the earlier amount. But the chances are they will come back because Ronke has what they need. Now, this is not her first high-paying job in 28 days. This is her third high-paying job. Her first two jobs alone paid her over 3.5 million naira monthly. And guess what? Ronke learned this skill in just 2 days with just her phone. She didn't have a laptop, she didn't have any fancy tools. With just the right information and her phone, she was able to make this amount of money. Now, this is not magic. You too can land jobs like this in 10 days or less. But the longer you delay, the harder it gets. The world is moving fast, and those who take action win immediately. Now, usually this step-by-step guide costs around 35,000 naira or more, and trust me, it is worth every penny. You go to the university for 4 years, you go through the stress, you go through the spending of money, you go through the mental exhaustion, and you come out and you still do not have a job. In fact, if you have a job, you'll be getting the minimum pay of 70,000 naira per month. Right? Is it worth it? For some people, it was worth it, while for others, it isn't. In fact, for more, it isn't. Now, with this 35,000 naira, you're able to make over 100 times the amount. But because you're my viewer, my sponsor has agreed to slash the price just for you. For a few hours only, or for only a few number of people, you can get it for just 15,000 naira. Now, for you to be able to claim this special offer, you simply send a message with the code favor15k to my sponsor right now. But listen, this deal won't last long. If you wait too long, you would have to pay the full amount. Don't let another golden opportunity pass you by. You have seen the proof and you have seen the results. Now it's time to take action. Are you ready to start making real money online? The choice is yours. You can do whatever you want with this information. But one thing I would ask you, what is stopping you from moving from point A to point B is procrastination and doubt. So if you keep doubting that, oh, some of these things that people are saying is a lie, it doesn't make money, it doesn't make sense, people are really not making money from it, that's your choice. But I want to see as many people as possible on the other side, which is why I always try my possible best to bring sweet, sweet updates on how you can make money online without expensive gadgets. In fact, most of the time I drop free updates for you. Now, this is your choice, like I said earlier, but I would like to see most of my viewers on the other side. So see you on the other side, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.